Did you know that over 20 million Americans have gone camping for the first time since 2021? With camping accounting for 16% of all trips taken in the US, it's clear that the great outdoors is calling. As a result, the demand for capable overland vehicles is soaring. But which trucks and SUVs are leading the charge in 2024? Welcome, fellow adventurers. Today, we're diving into the best new trucks and SUVs for overland camping expeditions in 2024. Choosing the right vehicle is crucial for making the most of your outdoor adventures, so let's explore which models stand out this year. Before we dive into our top picks, let's discuss the challenges overlanders face when selecting a vehicle. It's not just about aesthetics. The right vehicle must meet several critical criteria. First, off-road capability is paramount. You need a vehicle that can handle rocky trails, muddy paths, and sandy dunes without faltering. Next is storage. Overlanders often pack a lot of gear, from camping equipment to food supplies. A vehicle with ample storage space is essential for a comfortable trip. Comfort is another key factor. After a long day of exploring, you want to relax in a vehicle that feels more like a home than a cramped space. Reliability is crucial too. The last thing you want is to be stranded in the wilderness due to mechanical issues. Finally, consider modifiability. Many overlanders enjoy customizing their vehicles with aftermarket parts to enhance their off-road capabilities. With these challenges in mind, let's take a look at our curated list of the 12 best trucks and SUVs for overland camping in 2024. 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. The Tacoma Trailhunter is designed specifically for overlanding. It features a powerful iForce Max hybrid engine that delivers 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. With Old Man Emu forged monotube shocks and 33-inch tires, it's built to tackle tough terrain. 2024 Ford Ranger Raptor is a mid-size powerhouse, equipped with a twin-turbo V6 engine and Fox shock dampers. It's perfect for high-speed desert runs and rocky trails, making it an ideal choice for adventurous overlanders. / 2024 Ford F-150 Tremor. The F-150 Tremor combines the legendary capability of the F-150 with enhanced off-road features. Its robust suspension and off-road tires make it a versatile option for any overland adventure. / 2024 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. The Colorado Trail Boss offers rugged performance in a mid-size package. With an elevated suspension and all-terrain tires, it's ready to tackle challenging trails right out of the box. / 2024 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. Known for its reliability and off-road prowess, the 4Runner TRD Pro comes equipped with advanced off-road technology and a durable construction, making it perfect for extended overland trips. / 2024 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. The Gladiator Rubicon combines the off-road capability of a Wrangler with the utility of a pickup truck. Its removable top and doors allow you to immerse yourself in nature during your camping adventures. / 2024 Ford Transit. For those needing more space, the Ford Transit is a great platform for custom overland builds. Its spacious interior can be outfitted with all the comforts of home, making it ideal for extended trips. / 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe the Wrangler Rubicon 4xe brings electrification to off-roading. This plug-in hybrid offers legendary capability with improved fuel efficiency, perfect for eco-conscious overlanders. (2024) Ford Bronco Sasquatch. The Bronco Sasquatch package turns this capable SUV into an off-road beast. With 35-inch tires and locking differentials, it's ready to take on the most challenging terrain. 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD, a T4X AEV edition. This heavy-duty truck is built for extreme off-road conditions while offering impressive towing capacity. Its collaboration with American Expedition Vehicles results in a truck that can handle any challenge. (2024) Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. The Sprinter provides a luxurious base for custom overland builds. With a spacious interior and available 4x4 system, it's a popular choice among high-end overlanders. (2025) Ram 1500 RHO. While details are still emerging, the upcoming Ram 1500 RHO promises to be a formidable competitor in the overland space, combining performance with comfort. Each of these vehicles offers unique strengths for overland camping, from the Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter's purpose-built design to the Ford Transit's customization potential. Whether you prefer a mid-size truck, a full-size SUV, or a van platform, there's an option here to suit every overlander's needs. Now, drumroll please. It's time to reveal our standout vehicle for overland camping in 2024. While all these vehicles are impressive, one rises above the rest: the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. The Tacoma Trailhunter is not just a truck, it's a purpose-built overlanding machine. Its hybrid engine provides both power and efficiency, crucial for long expeditions where fuel stations are scarce. What truly sets the Tacoma apart is its advanced off-road features, like the Old Man Emu shocks and the disconnectable front stabilizer bar, which allows for better articulation on rough terrain. This means you can tackle rocky trails and steep inclines with confidence. Inside, the Tacoma offers a comfortable cabin with plenty of space for gear and passengers. The infotainment system is user-friendly and includes features like navigation and off-road specific displays. But perhaps the most compelling reason the Tacoma Trailhunter takes our top spot is its versatility. It's equally at home on a cross-country road trip as it is navigating a remote mountain trail. For overlanders, the Tacoma Trailhunter is the ultimate adventure companion. So there you have it, folks. Our rundown of the best trucks and SUVs for overland camping in 2024. From the rugged Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter to the luxurious Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, each vehicle has unique strengths that cater to the needs of overland adventurers. Now it's your turn. Which of these vehicles would you choose for your next overland adventure? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you want more tips on camping gear and outdoor adventures, be sure to check out our other videos and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy trails.